In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the speed in Pictory. Whether you want to speed things up for a more dynamic presentation or slow them down for better comprehension, adjusting the pace can have a significant impact on the viewing experience. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Pictory's official website by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL, pictory.ai. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the home of AI video editing technology. Here, let's find the login section. You'll see the option to continue with Google. Click on that button, which provides a quick and convenient way to access your account using your Google credentials. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your Google account if you're not already signed in. Simply click on the appropriate account and you'll be directed to Pictory's main interface. With your account ready to go, the next step is to focus on your projects. Navigate to the Projects section by clicking on Projects in the main menu. This will display a list of all your video editing projects. Find the one you want to modify. You'll notice 3 little dots next to your project. Go ahead and click on them. They represent a menu that provides further options related to your project. Select Edit Project from this menu, which opens up the editing workspace where all of the magic happens. Now concentrate on the audio aspect of your video. Locate and click on the Audio section. This is where you can manage everything related to sound and voiceovers in your project. Once you're in this section, look for the Speed Control option. It might be represented visually on your screen, possibly as a button or a slider. Once you spot the Speed Control button, click on it to reveal the slider. This slider is your tool for adjusting the speed, allowing you to either accelerate or decelerate the audio as needed. Gently slide it to the left to decrease speed or to the right to increase it. As you adjust, keep in mind how the speed change will impact the overall vibe and clarity of your video. Finally, after adjusting the speed to your desired setting, click on the Generate VoiceOver button. This action will ensure that the changes you've made are applied and that your video includes your newly adjusted audio. And that's it! You've successfully adjusted the speed in Pictory. Whether it's for a fast-paced tutorial or a leisurely paced narrative, these adjustments allow you to tailor each project to better fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your editing journey even smoother.